Something that's so good in this movie is the sound.
Yes.
In scenes where you wouldn't think there should be like this dramatic, eerie sounds, they bring it in so you feel odd about what Patrick Bateman is going to do.
Hello?
There's a few times like that, but even from the beginning with the music here, it's classical music, so it's posturing. We like fancy classical music. When you really listen to it with the shots on screen, it's like almost stressful. It's like heavy, fast pace for like this. It should be very slow, peaceful, easy music, but it's not. Like the violins are pretty fast, and it's like almost like in your face of like,
you want this.
Yeah.
You want to like this.
Exactly.
This is fitting in. This is the top.